Okay guys, we continue our tutorial 2C. Okay, so we already completed our first parting surface. Okay, next we're going to develop another parting surface. So to develop that parting surface, we need to unhide the sketch 9. Okay, so the sketch 9, to check where is the sketch 9 is, you can just click the swap visible space over here, toolbar. Okay, and then this is our sketch 9. Right click and then hide it. Okay, so we already have this one. So before that, you can hide the rest of the sketch that we don't want to use anymore. Right. Okay, so next, after we unhide the sketch, so click on the sketch, select the XY plane, and then we project the 3D element into the sketch plane, which is your XY plane. Okay, and then we develop the two vertical lines over here. Alright, so select our XY plane. Okay, still under parting surface, under this parting surface, and then start sketch. Okay, so this is the sketch number 9. Just select on the sketch, this sketch, and then project 3D element, click there. Okay, I repeat back, edit, undo, Ctrl Z. Okay, actually we only need to project only these 3 elements, which is the horizontal lines and 2 horizontal line and the curve. So you just select these 2 line and also the curve, project 3D element. See? Okay, and then this one you can hide, and then click on the normal view. Okay, and then this one you can create the vertical line. There's 2 vertical lines that you need to create. Start from the end point, straight line. That's it. Okay, and then after that we extrude it about 50 mm. Extrude it, this one, extrude, reverse direction outward 50 mm. Okay, so the sketch, you can hide it, just remain the parting surface, and then okay, we hide all the element except XY plane, YZ plane. This one is YZ plane, ZX plane, and then the trim 2, this one, okay, which is the surface of the mouse, and then trim 4, which is under the parting surface, trim 4, and also the extrude 4. Right, so this one already show. Okay, and then you can find from the folder over here under the curve, under the geometrical sketch. Okay, under the trim number 2, right click and hide. So this is the surface of the mouse, right? And then now we're going to turn from the surface into solid. So to convert from the surface into solid, especially for this one, is a closed surface. Okay, it's a closed surface. So to convert it from the surface into solid, you need to switch the workbench to part design. Okay, under the part design, right? So you need to find the correct toolbar. Oh, this one. The toolbar is named as surface based features. Okay, surface based features. So you expand it. So if you see, there is closed surface. This one is thick surface. Let's say if you have one flat surface, okay, so you can use this one to make it the surface become thick. But for this case, it's a mouse, it's closed surface, so you can use this one, the closed surface toolbar. Click on the closed surface toolbar, and then the current in object isn't in body, so just click OK, and then you select the surface, and then you click OK. So to check whether your surface is convert into solid or not, you can expand on the part body, so you can see there is a closed surface over here. Okay, actually the surface is remain. Okay, to hide the surface, you just right click on this one, you hide. So this one is closed surface. To hide the surface, you go to here under the trim to hide. So this one is solid. Okay, this one is surface, but this one, the closed surface, is a solid body. This one is solid body. Alright, now okay. Alright, after that, okay, we already convert from the surface into solid. This is solid. Then we need to hide the geometrical set tool. Okay, this one, geometrical set tool, is a curve. This one, you can hide everything. For my case, I just only hide the trim number 2, which is the surface itself. But actually you can right click under the curve folder, you can hide everything. See? Okay, then before we proceed to slice the solid body, first what you have to do is to apply the edge fillet, which is 1 mm radius at this scroll button area, and then after that we're going to shell it 2.5 mm inside thickness. Okay, so let me apply the edge fillet first. So to apply the edge fillet, so this is fillet under the part design. So there is edge fillet over here. Apply 1 mm for the radius, and then select the edge. Okay, make sure that it select everything. So on the selection mode is a tangency, and then you click preview, and then you click OK. So if you see, there is a small fillet over there. Okay, that one is the fillet. Next, we apply the shell features. So you put the inside thickness is 2.5, outside is 0. So you just offset it one direction, which is inside thickness 2.5. Okay, face system remove, none, no selection, and then you just click OK. So now the component, okay, the solid body is we already applied the shell features for this body. Then continue next video.